Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to download Sony Vegas in a few quick and easy steps. Now first off, you'll need to go down in the description below and click on the link that's provided. This will take you to this Google Drive page. All you need to do when you get here is click download and then click download anyway. Now this is going to take some time to download. I want to skip straight to the install. Okay everyone, so that has now been downloaded. As you can see here, all you need to do is right click this, and you may need WinRAR or 7-zip or something to extract your files, but all you need to do is click extract here. This will then simply just unzip your folder for you. Okay, now that is done, all you need to do is go into the folder, drag straight to the bottom and double click on the Vegas 160 application, and that's it. Vegas Pro is now installed, and yeah, what I like to do is just right click, pin to taskbar, and now we're done. Simple as that. So that's all you need to download and install Sony Vegas. Thank you all for watching, hope this helped, see you later.